In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove Meta AI from Messenger. If you're finding that the presence of Meta AI in your Messenger experience is not quite what you were looking for, you're in the right place. Let's dive into a detailed walkthrough of how you can do just that. First, you'll want to open up your Messenger app. It's where we'll do all the necessary adjustments to personalize your messaging experience. Once you have the app open, it's all about locating the Meta AI chat. You can spot it easily by looking for the circular Meta AI icon. It's essential to click on the correct chat, so double check that you're interacting with the AI and not a friend with a similar username. Upon opening the chat, direct your attention to the top right corner, where you'll notice the eye or info icon. This icon is your gateway to modifying the chat settings and is crucial for silencing the AI interactions. Give it a tap, and you'll be introduced to a variety of options to customize your chat experience. In the settings menu, look for the mute or mute notifications option. This feature is particularly handy if you're aiming to halt the influx of notifications from Meta AI. Once you hit mute, select the Until I Change It option. This typically appears as indefinite, ensuring that you're not interrupted by AI notifications until you decide the time is right. If you've muted the notifications, but still prefer a cleaner chat list, you might consider deleting the conversation entirely. This step doesn't just silence notifications, it removes the conversation from your immediate view. It's a straightforward process with the added bonus of decluttering your Messenger interface. Now, for those who are considering more drastic measures, there's an option available for Android users. You can uninstall your current version of Messenger and revert to an older version that lacks Meta AI altogether. However, there's an essential caveat to this approach. It comes with security risks. Installing older versions of apps can make your device vulnerable to various security threats, so it's not highly recommended unless you fully understand and accept these risks. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide to adjusting your interactions with Meta AI in Messenger. From managing notifications to cleaning up your chat list, each step is aimed at giving you more control over your messaging environment. Remember, technology should work for you, not the other way around. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide